because it's got a long duration, 222.74, I'm not as excited because it's not likely to be a day trade. It's more likely to be a position trade, a long-term position trade. So what are we going to do with that? Well, I want to get a discount to the index. So you can see it's very difficult to get a discount to the index with volume. You can see when there's a possible volume index discount here, but the index itself is falling, so that's not it. And it hasn't happened since then. So I haven't been able to get into CRM as opposed to CRE, which we have been able to get into, but I haven't been able to get into the CRM trade. Let's take another look at PDD. There was an active shooter on this one, so let's take a look at PDD. And PDD, we had an active shooter on this one. And this guy came in at 247. So this guy came in at 247 up here. Here's 247 just in there. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to get a discount. We're trying to get high volume. We're waiting on a discount against the index. Does everybody agree that we got a discount against the index? Does everybody agree we got high volume on a discount to the index? And so therefore, there is the buy trade right there on this PDD. What happened to PDD at that stage, guys? What happened? PDD has had a brilliant day to the upside. $148 a share. Now riding high at $155, $156. A very nice profit for PDD. Active shooter on the calls. And that is a short duration trade. Short duration trade. So I'm expecting this one to work fast. I'm expecting it to work kind of furiously. We've just seen a relatively sizable one coming through for AMBA, but it's quite a long duration as well. So I'm not that excited about it, to be honest, guys. So this has been an absolute beauty. Current trade is the CREE trade. This is the trade that we're in just now, just working that bottom edge. But it's quite a small volume stock, so we're not exactly exposed to this one. But if the equity market kicks on, because we've got a discount to that, hopefully that'll drag this stock higher. We might see some nice upside gains. The best swing trades are always the late option trades, because these guys must be desperate, because they're going to be willing to give a whole day's trading for the price of volatility in the overnight session. So they must be expecting something big. And obviously they only really start showing up in the last hour of trading. So from about 8 o'clock onwards, we'll start to see some of those types of trades showing up. If we see anything of excitement, anything that's got a 1 day, 2 day, 1 week expiry, for example, then we'll obviously pop them into the twits. And you guys can see what you think of them as trade opportunities. Right. I'll catch you later.